here in coolnights in Swords in County Dublin, ladies and gentlemen. Please, 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 can you stand back as far as possible and block your ears as the car is about to be driven by Martin Hill. First time demonstration here in the capital of Ireland in Dublin. And we were warning you and cautioning that it's a very large sound of this Santa Pup. Wow! This is just a taste of what's going to happen, so please, ladies and gentlemen, caution, caution, ears to be blocked and standing well back. This is a no smoking zone as well from anyone of us here. Fire brigade already, rescue crew already. Fire force 3. Martin Hill, ladies and gentlemen. Cameras are in the air here in Swords in County Dublin for Coolnights 2008. About to give the first demonstration of Fire Force 3 as we will count him down, maybe. Ready to go! Comes up here for our production. Standing well back, ladies and gentlemen. 10, 8, 6, 5, 3, 1. We are blast off. Fire Force 3. So what phenomenal sound coming down the sound of the Fire Force 3 as once again mechanics checking us here. And I hope as everything is going according to plan so far. Quick check as well again on the fuel side of things. www.centerpod.com on the side of Fire Force 3. Been driven, of course, by Martin Hill. And once again, please, ladies and gentlemen, a word of caution to block your ears and stand well back. This is a no-smoking area. So mechanics, having a quick check once again. We nearly got a start up there, but having some slight difficulty at the moment. So as I mentioned already, in the hot seat and is now the world record holder is driver Martin Hill, all the way from the UK, and has been joining us here this weekend. Phenomenal sounds and phenomenal power from the world record holder. 5 minutes, a quarter mile of 336 miles per hour, ladies and gentlemen. So a couple of moments for their mechanics to check things out, and hopefully everything running according to plan as well. Don't forget, of course, we're back here at 8:30 with our second demonstration. from the Fire Force 3. What a phenomenal experience it was for you. Please put your hands together for the second pause cruise here of Mr. Martin Hill and his crew. Well done to you, lads. He is the world champion. Yes. Phenomenal demonstration here for these guys. I'm just going to have a quick word in a couple of moments, maybe with Martin Hill as he makes his way out of here. Fire Force 3 here this weekend here at Coolnights in County Dublin. And that must be the largest